It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our crawlspace repair service. As a family-run, independent contractor, we are dependent and especially thankful for honest feedback from our customers. We're really happy to share this great 5-star testimonial with everyone.
Called the company not knowing anyone in the area who could do a foundation inspection, and Michael took my call. He listened carefully to my description of what I was seeing in the house, asked several questions to fill in the gaps of my explanation, and then talked with me for several minutes about the different possibilities for causes and what the various solutions for each potential cause might be. He scheduled an in-home visit for 2 days later and was both punctual and cordial. He walked through the house, allowing me to show him the symptoms I was seeing. When he was ready to inspect the crawlspace under the house, I asked if I could join him to see what he saw, and he was kind enough to lend me a pair of gloves and knee pads. He explained what he was seeing as we crawled under the house and was thorough in his assessment of the supporting structure. Afterward, he spoke with me at length and was very helpful. There is no one else I would call before specialty.
Don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Call us for your free problem evaluation and estimate. 704-787-6972. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today. We're looking forward to chatting with you soon. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen or visit us at our website.